Did you ever dream about building your own custom motorcycle with a big fat tire like this? What if I told you it's not that difficult to do on your own? All you need is a little bit of guidance. Follow our channel and we'll show you step by step how to achieve this. All right, guys. Another important step into this mod is that we have to remove this so that we can put something that's going to be a little bit offset for the bigger tire. So we're going to show you how to remove this. So first step, get yourself something small enough to be able to remove this little cap. So guys, you remove the lock for that bolt. This is the lock, okay? Okay, guys, so this is a transmission lock, okay? See these teeth here? They're gonna go on the teeth of the pulley right there, and we're gonna use the axle that was in the swing arm to lock it in place. So guys, as you can see, we put the transmission lock tool, then we put the axle, just so we can lock it in place. So as you can see, guys, the locking tool is holding so that we can open this. Okay, guys, so next step is to remove these bolts that holds kind of that triangle inside. Okay, guys, so we're using the extraction tool. If you want to buy one, any major hardware store should have one. It's called a gear puller. So you can find one locally. You can do it manually or you can use an impact. Normally, you should be able to just be able to pull it out manually. But in case you have the same situation as we do, but this is how you do it. You got to tap on the exterior of the pulley, and you got to use a impact gun. Okay, guys. So as you can see, we removed everything. We're going to be replacing these. We're going to be replacing the rear swing arm. We're also going to be putting out a wider wheel on a 300 tire. Don't forget, if you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, comment, And second episode will be how to reassemble all of this with the spacers and the new swing arm. So see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.